up on yourself, my people? What's up? There again, my people. Alright. Watch your style. You know, some want to cook some food today. I don't know what I'm going to cook right now. I swear. Hungry, look on my belly. Belly flat. But the rain did not fall, you know. So, I secure a little fireplace still. You see, get some wood and secure a little fireplace. So right now, I'll go to the supermarket and get some goods, some ingredients. Feel like I'm gonna cook some rice and peas. Yeah. So like up the video. Watch your style. No joke. Subscribe to the channel. Alright. Look where I go on, my people. Right there's some secure a little fireplace. Pop. Yeah, me and Pop secure. See them there? Yeah, man. Me and them there. Yeah, man. I go to this supermarket. I'm gonna get some ingredients. So when I come back, I see me catch a fire. So tune in. Pop there. Pop. Say something to the people. Papa said, if you go and quick case and cook, Pop hungry. Alright. See beast, yeah. Yeah, man. I take the beast and go to the supermarket. I get some ingredients. Come chef up back. So like up a video. Alright, my people. So catch me in the supermarket. I get the thing them. And then I come back and chef it up. So like up a video. People. Yeah, man, we are going to corner shop right now. Yeah, man. Catch me when I come back. Okay, like up a video and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Now, people, see me in the supermarket, you know. Yeah, man, I get some ingredients. Okay? Remember, like up a video. Yeah, man, people. Pop. Alright, we just come back for the corner shop, you know, my pop. People. Yeah, so I'm going to catch a fire. Catch a fire. Okay? No joke, like up a video. And tune in and subscribe. Tell a friend. I'm going to say big up all the Jamaican blogger them. Real one, them don't know myself. So watch me and catch a fire, right? Just know. See it. Catch me and catch a fire. Just come from the corner shop. But first, I show you all the things that we get. Okay? Like up a video. Yes, my people. This is everything we're going to get at the supermarket. Yeah. I got some fresh water tilapia right here. I got some rice and onion. Everything that come out of the knapsack except this coconut. Yes, I'm going to tell you, rice and peas, natural coconut. Yeah, so you can tune into my video below to see how I ox this. And you see how I get the milk out of it. Yeah, so catch me and catch a fire. Okay, my people, look how I go on right there, so though. Yeah, man. Fire fully catch. I never show no one I catch a fire still now, but check out my video so when I catch a fire. Or next time I show you I catch a fire. Yeah, man, see there. Fully ablaze. When we get some rain, you know, so you know, say wood them wet. So I have to have it ablaze like half an hour before warm it up. But I use that and make it happen. So I get the pot put on now with the peas. And that is it. Fully active. Like up a video, my people, okay? Yeah, look at that. Yes, my people, beautiful. Now that the pot is on fire, I'll put a right plant beside it. Like up a video. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, fully active. Look where I go on. Pot a blaze. Yeah, man, put a right plant beside it right here. Alright, let it catch right here, my people. Oh, right here. The heat alone can cook that. Okay, beautiful. Like up a video, my people. And tell a friend for tell a friend. The more lifestyle is here. Look what I got on there, pot. Alright, you know, start boil up it. Yeah, coconut milk already in there already. Natural. Yeah, and peas already in there. Peas partly cooked already. So I just put some seasoning in it. Yeah, and then put in the rice. Wash the rice and put it. So stay tuned, you're going to see me put the season. Alright, I got my season fully chopped and washed. Scallion, thyme, garlic. Yeah, let's check in the pot. What? Yeah, look at that. Bubbling, bubbling. No joke. Fully active. Watch your plant up on the side. Yeah, eat alone and cook that, you know. No more fire than that. Yeah, man, fully active, yard man style. Like up a video, people. Throw our season in it now. Yeah. Oh, knock it out, knock it out, knock it out. Yeah. Get a little stir. Alright, look at that. Fully cooked. Time to throw in the rice now. Yeah, look at that. Alright. That is it. Fully active. People, I'll give it a little quick stir. Give it a little stir now. People, 20 minutes time now. I'll take a check on it. Okay, like up a video. Whoa. Look at that. Fire can't put in on people. Look on it. Too high, you know. You burn up, you know. Plant fully cooked. Look on the plant. Yeah, man, that is it. Yardman style, fully active. Like up a video. Yeah, people, you have to take it out. Look at it though. Yeah, man. Fire and something for ramp with, you know. Fully hot. Fully cooked. You look around the edge, it burn, but still I gotta eat it, alright. That is it. Look at the plant. Yeah, man. Plant ready, people. Check what I got. Alright, see. Right now, I put on the frying pan now. Put in the fish. Make it go and fry. Tune in. Like up the video.